Stop paying for Claude Code and Codex, because in today's video I'm going to show you a legit and legal method to use Claude Code and Codex for free. That too using their official models including Fable 5, Opus 5 and GPT 5.6 Soul. So stick with me till the end for a complete step-by-step guide. Well, I'm Aman Mushtaq from AI Funda. Let's get started. Well, we are going to use a special provider to access Claude Code and Codex, which is called Agent Router, and you will find its link in the description below. Make sure to hit that link and it will bring you to this login page. On the login page, we have multiple options to create account, but you can only create account with the GitHub right now. So you should have a GitHub account and make sure to log in that in your browser. Then hit continue with GitHub. Well, it has automatically fetched my GitHub account, but if you're using it for the first time, you have to authorize it on the GitHub login page. It's super simple. Well, I am on my dashboard page and you can see I have $6,055 credits. Well, realistically, you will get only $150 credits in your account, and that too because you used my special link to create account. If you simply go to their domain or search them on Google, you will not get any credits. Those 150 credits are more than enough for the daily use. But one good news is just stick around till the end with me in this video and I will show you a method to increase these credits. Now let's set up Claude Code and use these models. But before that, simply click on personal settings in the left side menu and you can see we have only 3 models right now available here. First one is Claude Opus 4.8, then we have Claude Opus 5, and then we have GPT 5.6 Soul. Well, Agent Router team add and remove models on daily basis, so you might not see Fable 5 here, but they will re-add it in couple of days. It's normal thing in Agent Router. Now let's see how to set up Claude Code. Simply click on Docs section in the top menu and it will bring another page. Simply translate this page and click on Start Using. Well, here you will see multiple options in the left side menu. First one is VS Code plugin, second one is CLI terminal, and the third one is IDE/desktop. Now it's all about how you want to use Claude Code. If you want to use Claude Code in VS Code, you need to set up using this method. If you want to use in terminal, you can use this method, and if you want to use Claude Code in the desktop app, you can use this method. I'm going to set up Claude Code on terminal, so simply click on using Claude Code in the terminal section. Now this is the guide to install and set up Claude Code to use Agent Router as a Claude Code provider. Now simply scroll below. First of all, we need to install Node.js in our computer. To install Node.js, simply open a new tab and search. Open very first link, then in the top section click on download and then click on Windows installer.msi. It will start downloading your exe file. Once the file is downloaded, simply click on it to install it. Click on next, accept the terms and conditions, click next, do not change anything and just install it. Click on finish. Well, on this page we have most of the things to configure Claude Code, but still it's so complicated, so I created a file so you can understand everything in a simple way. So I will provide its link in the description below. It's a Google Drive file. Simply open this. You will find 2 more files in this folder. Simply download both of them. Now open steps and commands file. Okay, so first of all, it says we need to install Node.js, which we already have done. Now to verify the installation, we simply need to copy this command so we can see if the Node.js is successfully installed in our computer or it does throw any error. Simply copy this command, open CMD, which is called command prompt, and then paste this command and hit enter. If it shows the version info, which is 24.18, then the installation is successfully completed, which is a good sign. Now come back to our file and now we need to install Claude Code in our computer. So simply copy this command, come back to CMD, paste it here and then hit enter. It says change 2 packages in 12 seconds. It's because Claude Code is already installed in my PC, but it will take some time on your PC depending upon your internet connection. Now let's verify the installation of Claude Code simply via this command. Copy this, Come back to CMD and paste it here. Version 2.1, which means the Claude Code is successfully installed in our computer. Now what we need to do is simply come back to our commands file, and we need to configure agent router environment variables via PowerShell. So simply copy this code, Now search PowerShell in your Windows, open this, paste it here, and then click on paste anyway. Everything is green, which means it's installed successfully. Now simply close this, come back to CMD and run Claude Code. Hit yes, I trust this folder, and now you can see it's running for us. Simply close this for once. Now you already know we also downloaded settings.json file. Simply open its path, which is downloads, and now copy this file. Go to your Windows drive, which is usually C drive. Click on users, and then open your username folder, and now you can find a Claude folder here. Its name is starting with a dot, which means it's a hidden file. So if you cannot find this folder here, simply turn on or show your hidden files. Once it's here, simply open this. Now we have a settings.json file already here. Simply open this, and you can see this file has some default settings. Simply close this file. Now delete this file, delete this settings.json file, and paste our file here. You can see it's right here, settings.json. Now open this. Now we need a API key, which we will put here. Now simply come back to agent router website, and then click on API token in the left side. Then click on create token, give it a name, test2, and then in the token grouping, select default. For the expiration time, set never expires, quantity keep at 1, and for the quota settings, turn on this unlimited quota button. Keep rest of the settings the same, and then click on submit. We have our API key here. Simply copy this, come back to our settings.json file, simply replace it here, and then save this file. Now simply run CMD, simply run Claude now. With your keyboard, simply press enter. Yes, I trust. Now it's asking, do you want to use this API key? Simply click on yes, I want to use this API key. Now the Claude Code is running with our API key. To test it, simply send a message, and you can see we have a reply here, which means our API key is working completely fine. If it gives you a fetching error, which means it's not able to fetch the packets, simply use a VPN. For some networks it requires VPN. Now let's go back to agent router, and once we open usage log, and here you can see the request we have just made right now with the API test2, and you can see we have made a request just now using the Claude Opus 5 model. Now come back to personal settings, and you can see we have two models, Opus 5 and Opus 4.8. Now you can keep watching here, and you can switch between the models by simply sending slash model command, and then hit enter, and you can see we have all models here, but these models are not available in the agent router right now. So we need to see there which model is available. Simply select that here and use it. So I'm still going with the Opus 5, which is the latest and the most efficient and cost effective model right now for me, and according to my test it surpassed Fable 5 in many tests. So I do use Opus 5 a lot. Now let's test it again. And yeah, you can see it's working completely fine. That's it from today's video. If you face any error, please let me know in the comment section below. Also tell me what you want to build with Opus 5 and share your ideas. We will work on them together, and make sure to join the WhatsApp community. The link is below in description, and the link for the files is also in the description. Make sure to download these files. That's it from today's video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to hit subscribe and like button, and do not forget to join our WhatsApp community floppy methods. That's it from today. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Peace out.